Hey guys, so I'm starting off with about 1/4 of mustard seeds, which is easy to purchase at any local grocery store. I'm going to then pour the seeds into the bowl to create a powder consistency. It's easier if you already get it in powder or oil form. It makes the process much easier. Go ahead and blend it up until you have a nice powdered consistency. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and pour about 2 teaspoons of extra olive oil. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour 1 teaspoon of Jamaican black castor oil. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and just add a few teaspoons of water just to smooth out the paste. Hey beautiful people, and before I keep going, don't judge me. Listen, I got 3 kids. I don't even know what sleep is, but I'm still here trying to deliver some good content for y'all because I love y'all. So I need you to stop what you're doing. Just hit that subscribe button to click back on this video. Now, today, as you can tell by the title, if you want to get double, triple hair growth, you might want to stick around for this video because it's about to get real interesting. Everybody wants their hair to flourish. My hair looks a mess. Everybody needs their hair to flourish. Nobody got time for hair fall, shedding, balding, breakage, nothing. I have experienced it all. I'm sure you have experienced some of it, and we're tired of it. We just want our hair to be healthy, growing, shiny, all that good stuff. So I'm here to tell you the game is changed for you. You don't have to worry. I found the key. We're going to do this. Let's get right into it. So we're going to do something called the mustard seed challenge. And I need y'all to say y'all down with me. If you're down with me, you're going to comment down below. You down with me with the mustard seed challenge. Mustard seed challenge. What is she talking about? Everybody's been raving about the rice water challenge. Even me. I'm guilty. It has definitely worked. But this mustard seed, I don't know if y'all know about that. It's ancient. It is supposed to help everything. Promotes hair growth. It strengthens the follicles. It has vitamin A in it. It stops hair fall, breakage. And you only need three ingredients. So what we're going to do is we're going to start applying it. That's why I didn't do my hair for this video, so I can show y'all how my hair is really flourishing. This stuff is definitely popping. Now, if y'all watch my edges video, I'm going to be sure to link that in there. But like I told y'all in the video, I don't care what it smells like. It can smell like booty doo. It can smell like butt, underarms, whatever it is. If it's going to stop my hair from breaking off and it's going to promote growth, I'm here for it all. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to separate my hair off. And y'all did not detangle it. Do not be like me, but I figured I'm just going to wash my hair anyway, so there's no need to do all that extra work if we don't have to, right? So I'm just going to separate my hair off into sections so I can apply this easily. And remember, don't wear nothing nice. Don't wear anything nice when you are, putting some stuff in your hair that don't smell the best. And it can be a bit messy, so just put an old shirt on. And if your hair is shorter length, you don't have to worry about doing all this extraness, because less is best. Yeah, my hair is definitely nappy because I can hear it crunching. Don't ever try to detangle your hair when it's dry. Just don't do it. Alright, so I can't find my spray bottle. So I had to go with this big clunky bottle. See, I have a regular bottle. Today I'm just off. But you know what? We're not going to see none of that. We're going to focus on what the video is about. So I'm just going to spray these ends up. I don't know what I was thinking about, like, applying anything to my hair as dry as it is. Like, my hair feels like wool, straw. I don't know. I got to get it together. But you just want to make sure that your hair is somewhat detangled and it's not too dry like mine. This is the concoction right here. If you don't want your hands to get messy, you can just wear gloves, but I don't care. So as you guys saw me mixing it up, there's 3 ingredients in it. There's mustard seeds, there's Jamaican black castor oil, and there's olive oil. You blend it up, you mix it, you add some water, and boom, you got your own natural paste. You don't need to worry about applying it to your whole, you know, all of your hair. All you need to do is focus on your scalp. You don't need to worry about all of that because, you know, our hair sheds. It comes from the scalp. Of course, it sheds from the end, but it's mainly our hair grows out of our scalp. So it smells like a whole bunch of dandelions. But it don't smell like doo-doo, so I could deal with it. And you want to do this. I've been doing this for like a month now. I'm lying, I've been doing it for like 3 weeks. And if you watch my other videos, you guys, I was talking about postpartum shedding. Probably a little bit of stress here and there too. Whatever your situation may be, it could be from stress, it could be from diet, it could be from sickness, whatever it is. It's still not a good feeling when we lose our hair, you know? It always makes us go into panic mode as women, even men. You know, we feel like something's wrong with us, but it could be something so simple as far as, you know, just changing our regimen and the products that we are putting in our hair. So after I just apply it, I'm just gonna wrap my hair up to get it out the way and work on the rest of the sections. All right, y'all. So now that you done put all of this magic into your scalp, you want to take these fingers that God gave you, all 10 of them, and put them to work. You're going to start and you're just going to massage it because, you know, scalp massages really stimulate and they wake up the follicles and they help them to sprout. So you just want to give yourself a good massage for a good 30 seconds or so. And this is something that you should be doing even if you like to apply oils to your scalp once a week, which helps stimulate hair growth. Of course, any type of stimulation to the scalp is very beneficial. So also, don't get alarmed if you feel your hair is like burning or tingling. It's just working, y'all. It's just working. You don't want to leave it in too long, 20 minutes tops. When I first did it, I felt like I had a relaxer. You know when we used to put relaxers in our scalp and it was time to come out and you felt that burning feeling? That means it was time to come out? Yeah. Don't be alarmed. Your hair is not going to fall out. It's just working. It's just working through this. It's just doing what it's supposed to be doing, y'all. Just going to take my hair, wrap it up, apply my plastic cap. You want to let it sit in your scalp for about 20 minutes and then you want to shampoo your hair with a sulfate-free shampoo. So I'm going to let it sit. I'm going to rinse it out and then I'm going to come back and then we'll chit chat a little bit more. Alright, y'all. So I wash my hair out. I wash my hair a good 3 times. Look at the shine. Look at the shine, y'all. Look at the curls. There's nothing in my hair. No product, nothing. So you don't want to do this every other day or every few days. Just do it whenever you do wash day. Depending on how often you like to shampoo your hair, you can mix this up. Once again, these 3 products are so beneficial. Jamaican black castor oil stops thinning. It helps it thicken the strands. Olive oil is amazing. It's a natural conditioner, keeping your scalp nice and healthy and promoting thick strands. And mustard seeds, you can get it in the oil, the powder, or the seeds like I have, and you can just blend it up. It is beneficial. It has all of the vitamins that your hair needs. Mustard seed is a great stimulant which promotes faster hair growth. So it's basically like tripling your hair growth because of all the vitamins that it contains. Vitamin A, it's protein, it has calcium, omega-3, omega-6. All of those combined together increase fast hair growth. So guys, give it a try. You know, we gotta start somewhere. Don't feel like there's no hope for your hair when your hair is falling out. Your hair can grow back. If this is for all hair textures, it doesn't have to be just for natural women. It could be for relaxed women, all different type of women. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you try it. If you try it, comment down below. We're gonna do this challenge. We're gonna keep doing this so we can have these inches and our hair can just be like Rapunzel. Can be like Rapunzel, you know. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'll be sure to post the link down below in the description of where you can purchase these items from. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be back next time.